Hi there.
Hi.
This is Barry and Kim with the Hoey Team here in Naples, West Florida, and we're on a construction site today. We're just checking out this site. We sold there was a home here previously, and the home was removed. It was a little bit similar to that one there, probably, but today we have a crane that was used for putting in some of the pilings, and the new seawall is in place. Pretty decent job. And this area, it's Vanderbilt Beach, and we're in Connors, and you've got the Ritz-Carlton over there somewhere, and this beautiful body of water here, obviously Gulf Access. I'm sure they'll be making changes to that there. But anyway, that's just a quick tour of this lot. We're excited to see the house taking shape shortly. We helped the buyers get a good deal on this one, and we got them connected with a good builder, and we're looking forward to see it as it goes, and we'll do a few more videos as well. So anyway, this is Barry and Kim with the Hoey Team. We're going to put some links down here to the area and stuff, and reach out to us anytime. Alrighty, chat soon.
Bye.
Bye.